Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great Friday. Happy Friday, guys. I know you guys are enjoying your Friday. This has been a great week for us, guys. A lot of people making money. I woke up this morning and man, I'm telling you, I was elated. I was like, oh my God. You know, I knew we were gonna do a run up, but I didn't know we are gonna have a run up like this, shall I say. I know it'll be steady, but man, it's really starting to move. And man, it's really starting to make me very happy. I know a lot of people in the crypto world is very, very, very happy. And I'm excited for everyone. I'm excited for the space, especially for everyone that stuck around during the bear market when everybody else got out. Everybody ran for cover and they bought back at Bitcoin when it about $15,000. Shout out to everybody else that bought Bitcoin at 4,000, 5,000, 3,000. Shout out to everybody, in the bull market, in the bear market, shall I say. Shout out to all those people that bought during those times in the bear market when everything was down and everybody ran away. Shout out to all y'all. Y'all are winners. Y'all are smart people, okay? And and then we're gonna keep winning, baby. We're gonna keep winning. That's just how it is, and that's how it's gonna be. All right. So let's check out the market right now. Coin market cap. Currently we have $522 billion. 24-hour volume is $145 billion, and BTC dominance at 66.0%. So it actually went down. I think we was at 66.5 yesterday. So I think we actually went down. A lot of alts with the hell off last night. We all made a lot of money. I tell you that. So in the last 24 hours, we was at $502 billion. Now we have $522 billion. So $20 billion came into the market, guys, in the last 24 hours. Congratulations to that. $20 billion move. In the last 7 days, in the last week, we got $464 billion. Now we have $522 billion. So about 57 billion came in the market. So let's round up to 60. About 60 billion came into the market in the last week, guys. So we winning over here, man. That's how it goes. If you guys will look at it and check it out, man, you know what I'm saying? Everything is green. You know what I'm saying? So everything looking pretty dope. Polkadot did pretty well. Did pretty well last night. Polkadot, Aave did pretty well. SNX. If you're inside the Crypto Black group, Facebook group, I did a live last night. I was talking in the live last night, and I shouted out some of my favorite coins I really like. I said Celsius, I said Aave, I said Synthetics, and they all was going crazy right now. I shout out Ethereum. I always shout out Ethereum because I just like Ethereum. I knew Ethereum was gonna make a move, and it is what it is, and it made that move. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. The granddaddy, the big boy, the big dog. We're looking at $18,696 right now with Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually went up. Bitcoin went up, did a little run. I think it was about 18.8 yesterday. So let me refresh this real quick. Acting a little crazy right now. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so Bitcoin did a little run. We did about 18.8, close to 18.8. So our next resistance, we can hold above 18 by 18.5 for the day. We should be fine. Let's just see how we can hold above that, guys. We broke through this. Like we said, we kept hugging this between 18.5 and 17.2. We stayed between it, and we held this support at 17.8. We held that support over the day, and we pretty much moving up, guys. So it's been pretty good. But let's get right into it, guys. So we're looking at we says corporate Bitcoin frenzy. Companies now hold $15.3 billion in BTC. Companies now hold over 842,000 BTC, which is at the current Bitcoin price of 18.2, is worth $15.3 billion. We all know Bitcoin is about 18.7 now. So it says, as of November 20th, companies around 842 hold around 229,000 BTC, or 4.54% of today's Bitcoin supply. According to the Clark Moody dashboard and data from Bitcoin treasuries, this is equivalent to a staggering $15.3 billion at the current price of 18.2. So public companies and institutional investors are continuously accumulating Bitcoin. Despite they begin with MicroStrategy ambitious $425 million BTC purchase has led to a broad institutional frenzy among the dominant cryptocurrency. I think we did a report I think last week or a couple weeks before that $425 million was $525 million. Now that $425 million is, from last I read, is actually $625 million. So $200 million $200 million they made in a matter of 2 months, in a matter of purchasing for 2 months. So a matter of about 4 months, they made $200 million. So, congratulations to MicroStrategy. Now they're went from MicroStrategy, and I call them MacroStrategy now. So let's go. Why are institutions and companies acquiring Bitcoin now? The demand for Bitcoin from companies and institutions likely comes from its growing reputation as a digital store of value. Bitcoin is unique in that it can hedge portfolios against inflation like gold, but has the potential to see exponential growth. Hedged assets are typically stagnant and demonstrate low volatility over a prolonged period. They are meant to operate as assurance for a diversified portfolio so that when the market dips, the portfolio is protected. Now, Bitcoin achieves both. It's also to operate as a hedge against and also expose investors to large growth potential in the long term. As much as Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, said Bitcoin should not be considered as a payment network nor currency. BTC is highly compelling as a store of value. It's digital gold, guys. That's what people understand. Digital gold. That's why I always say stack your sats and chill, right? It's digital gold. So it says, which also does not put in the crossfire of regulators, referring to the interview of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Jay Clayton said BTC is not a security, Saylor said. This is why Bitcoin should be neither a currency nor a payment network. The principles of humility and harmony dictate that we should allow technology partners to provide for payments and defer to governments on matters of currency. BTC is purely engineered store of value, guys. As long as the perception of Bitcoin from institutions and corporations as an established store of value remains, the demand for BTC will likely remain high. Now it says saving technology, orange pill for companies. Corporations are now holding roughly 4.5% of today's Bitcoin supply, which is around 18.5 million BTC. This percentage is relatively high considering that BTC has a total fixed supply of 21 million. When lost or dormant coins are considered, the total supply is estimated to be around 17 million in total. Told you guys, you got about, they said 3 or 4 million Bitcoin is completely lost. Okay. People send to the wrong address, early people, send the wrong address, lost computers, all this stuff, different things happen to where about 4 million of these Bitcoin is lost, it's gone. So even though we got 21 million total supply, which is the other, I think, 1.5 million not going to be released until the year 2140, you got to understand about 4 million is gone right now, lost forever. So it's not enough for everyone. It's not even enough money. It's not even enough Bitcoin for every millionaire in the world to own one Bitcoin. Just think about that. Companies are acquiring Bitcoin as a treasury asset like MicroStrategy, particularly optimistic because it shows that they are not expecting short-term returns. Hence, when corporations hold BTC with a low time preference, it will also result in lower selling pressure over time by decreasing the available supply. For instance, on August 11th, when MicroStrategy announced its initial purchase of 250 million worth of Bitcoin, Saylor said, MicroStrategy had recognized Bitcoin as a legitimate investment asset that can be superior to cash and according has made Bitcoin the principal holding in its treasury reserve strategy. The prospect of inflation and consistent liquidity injections from central banks further fuel the medium to long-term outlook for Bitcoin, which some analysts consider the perfect environment for BTC to shine over time. Meanwhile, to offset the negative economic impact that the pandemic has had on the financial market, regulators are continuing to create relaxed financial conditions for stores of value like gold and Bitcoin. Such a trend is beneficial holding into 2021. And I keep telling people, man, 2021 is going to be a hell of a year for us. We're all going to be very happy. We're all going to be jumping around, very happy. And, it's going to be a great year. 2020 was just a start. That's all I'm going to say. But guys, man, let me know what you think about this right here, guys. Let me know, are you guys hodling right now? You guys hodling your crypto? If you're brand new to cryptocurrency, make sure you visit our website, www.cryptoblack.net. If you just want to trade, you say, listen, I know about crypto. I'm not a beginner or nothing like that. Guys, you go click the link below and you're able to download the Oracle Mastermind report, the monthly report. Guys, will show you the plays, what's going to happen, how it's going to happen. But I'll see you guys next video. This is your guy, Crypto Chuck, here with the group Crypto Black. We out here, baby. Enjoy your weekend, stack your sats and chill. But also, guys, take some of your profits, okay? It's Friday. It's payday. It's Friday. Take some profits. All right, we out here, baby.